In this podcast episode with Patrick Bet-David, the discussion revolves around the current economic landscape, potential recession, and geopolitical factors that could impact the future. Patrick emphasizes the importance of being aware of what's happening in the world and understanding the various moving parts that could influence the economy. Patrick expresses his intuition that a recession is inevitable, citing factors such as record-high credit card debt, corporate debt levels, and the increasing national debt. He highlights the potential consequences of these debt levels, such as interest payments on corporate debt and the impact on the economy. The discussion also touches on the role of money printing in the economy, with Patrick cautioning against the long-term effects of excessive money printing on the value of the dollar and inflation. The conversation delves into the geopolitical landscape, focusing on the tensions between China and India, as well as the role of Taiwan in semiconductor production. Patrick underscores the importance of India as a key player in the global economy, particularly in contrast to China's overexpansion and one-child policy. To address the current economic challenges, Patrick recommends a cautious approach to investing, focusing on cash reserves and index funds. He advises against investing in areas where individuals lack expertise, emphasizing the importance of maintaining optionality and avoiding forced sales in a bear market. He also discusses the potential opportunities in commercial real estate as prices may decline, presenting a potential investment opportunity for those with specialized knowledge in the field. Patrick cautions against investing in assets such as cryptocurrencies and NFTs without a deep understanding of the market. He highlights the risks involved in these investments and advises individuals to avoid speculative investments unless they have done extensive research and due diligence. He acknowledges the potential for significant gains in these markets, but warns against blindly following trends without a solid understanding of the underlying assets. Patrick discusses the potential opportunities in the market, particularly in the aftermath of the COVID-19 pandemic. He suggests that there may be opportunities to acquire assets at discounted prices as businesses struggle and assets become available for sale. He emphasizes the importance of having cash reserves to take advantage of these opportunities and expand market share in various industries. Patrick shares his belief in the importance of earning respect and moral authority in various aspects of life. He discusses the value of setting standards and expectations for oneself and others, emphasizing the need to earn the right to certain privileges and opportunities. He reflects on his own upbringing and the importance of instilling values of hard work, discipline, and accountability in his family. Patrick highlights the success of Geoffrey Canada's approach to education, particularly in underserved communities. Canada's method involves implementing a merit-based system in schools to improve student performance and outcomes. By setting clear expectations, providing discipline, and holding students accountable, Canada has been able to achieve remarkable results in improving academic performance and graduation rates among students in challenging environments. Patrick discusses the concept of generating ferocity in a controlled manner, particularly in the context of education and personal development. He emphasizes the importance of instilling discipline, values, and a strong work ethic in individuals to help them tap into their full potential. He suggests that by showing individuals how to channel their energy and focus towards achieving their goals, they can unlock their inner strength and drive for success. Patrick emphasizes the significance of discipline and leadership in shaping individuals. He recounts a story about John Wooden, a renowned basketball coach, who demanded discipline from his players, including getting a haircut and shaving their beards. This strict approach led to success on the basketball court and instilled valuable lessons in the players. Patrick also shares a personal experience from his time in the Army, where a tough sergeant instilled discipline in him through a physical confrontation, ultimately teaching him the importance of order and respect. Patrick suggests that the process of selecting leaders, such as presidents and governors, should focus on their experience and track record. He advocates for asking better questions during the hiring process to assess a candidate's ability to handle chaos and make sound decisions. He proposes evaluating candidates based on their past accomplishments, financial independence, and commitment to the role. He emphasizes the importance of leaders who are willing to invest their own resources and take personal risks for the benefit of society. Patrick acknowledges the role of social media in promoting transparency and accountability among leaders. He cites examples of public figures being called out for their actions and facing consequences as a result. He emphasizes the power of social media in revealing the true intentions of those in positions of authority and enabling the public to hold them accountable. Patrick shares his personal experience of exploring faith and the positive impact it had on his life. He emphasizes the importance of faith in providing structure, values, and a sense of purpose. He discusses the historical significance of faith and the dangers of eroding religious beliefs in society. Patrick discusses the concept of gratitude towards America for immigrants and the need for immigrants to contribute positively to society. He advocates for a merit-based immigration system that attracts skilled individuals who can enrich the country. He challenges the notion that America owes immigrants and instead emphasizes the responsibility of immigrants to show gratitude through their contributions. Patrick highlights the decline in traditional family structures and the impact of single-parent households on children. He stresses the importance of fathers in providing love, discipline, and guidance to boys, shaping them into responsible and successful individuals. He discusses the need for incentives that promote stable family units and support fatherhood. Patrick shares personal anecdotes about his family and relationships, emphasizing the importance of protecting and supporting loved ones. He discusses the role of a father in instilling values and principles in his children, as well as the need for mutual respect and understanding in relationships. He stresses the importance of creating a safe and supportive environment for family members where they feel loved, respected, and protected. Patrick criticizes the influence of academia and universities in shaping young minds and promoting divisive ideologies. He shares examples of parents losing their children to radical ideologies and emphasizes the importance of instilling critical thinking and common sense in education. He advocates for a balanced approach that encourages open dialogue and diverse perspectives. Patrick expresses his sadness at the decline of patriotism and national pride in modern society, particularly in the United States. He recalls a conversation with a friend who faced backlash for displaying an American flag, highlighting the shift in attitudes towards patriotism and national identity. He reflects on his own upbringing in the 1980s, when American pride was more prevalent, and laments the current political polarization and lack of unity in the country. Patrick calls for a renewed sense of patriotism and pride in America, emphasizing the country's strengths and opportunities. He challenges individuals to sell the ideas of America and uphold the values that make the country great. He discusses the need for unity, accountability, and a focus on building a better future for generations to come. Patrick argues that power and aggression are often viewed negatively in society, but they are essential qualities for achieving success. He believes that individuals need to tap into their aggressive nature to drive themselves towards their goals and overcome obstacles. He emphasizes the importance of having the courage to take risks, the willingness to fail, and the acceptance of challenges in order to build power and control over one's life. Patrick references the book Power versus Force by David R. Hawkins, which discusses different levels of consciousness and the journey towards gaining power and control over one's life. He explains that individuals must progress through various levels, such as courage, willingness, acceptance, and neutrality, in order to become powerful and successful. He highlights the importance of understanding one's own desires and motivations in order to achieve personal and professional growth. Patrick challenges the notion of selfishness and selflessness, arguing that everyone has a degree of selfishness and that it is necessary for personal growth and success. He explains that individuals need to have a balance between selfish desires and selfless actions in order to be effective leaders and make a positive impact on society. He emphasizes the importance of pursuing one's own goals while also considering the needs of others and being a net positive influence on society. Patrick discusses the qualities of a strong leader, emphasizing the importance of being assertive, confident, and capable of inspiring others. He believes that leaders should have a reputation for being capable and formidable, while also being respected and loved by those around them. He highlights the role of fear, respect, and love in effective leadership, both in personal relationships and in professional settings. Patrick shares his belief that individuals who have the ability to communicate effectively and influence others have a responsibility to promote ideas that have been proven to work. He highlights the significance of selling and defending concepts that have shown to be successful, even if they may be controversial or go against popular beliefs. He uses his own experience of starting a podcast focused on politics, despite facing criticism and skepticism, as an example of the importance of standing by one's beliefs and promoting ideas that have the potential to make a positive impact. By consistently sharing valuable insights and perspectives, individuals can attract like-minded individuals and create a community of supporters who are aligned with their vision. Patrick delves into the factors that attract top talent to companies and organizations. He emphasizes the importance of having a compelling mission that resonates with individuals and provides them with a sense of purpose. Additionally, offering opportunities to work on novel projects that allow employees to leverage their talents and intelligence can attract high-caliber individuals. Moreover, providing competitive compensation, autonomy, and a sense of ownership to employees can further enhance the appeal of an organization. Surrounding employees with other talented individuals who share a similar drive and passion can also contribute to creating a dynamic and high-performing team. Patrick draws parallels between attracting top talent to companies and creating incentives for individuals to stay in or move to certain states. He discusses the impact of incentive programs on population migration, citing examples of states like Florida and Texas that have seen significant population growth due to favorable tax policies and cost of living. He highlights the importance of creating an environment that offers attractive incentives for individuals to thrive and succeed, whether in a corporate setting or a geographical location. By aligning incentives with the needs and aspirations of individuals, organizations, and states can attract top talent and foster growth and development. Patrick shares the significance of choosing the right enemy to drive personal growth and success. He explains that having a worthy adversary can motivate individuals to push themselves beyond their limits and achieve greatness. By identifying the right enemy, individuals can channel their energy and focus towards overcoming challenges and reaching their full potential. He cautions against choosing the wrong enemy, as it can lead to wasted time and missed opportunities for growth. Towards the end of the podcast, Patrick mentions Ray Dalio's warning about the upcoming recession, citing factors such as collapsing banks and the devaluation of the US dollar. He acknowledges the looming economic challenges and stresses the need for individuals to be prepared and proactive in navigating the uncertain times ahead.